Hello everybody. Today is moving day for me. Well, I've actually moved in. This is day one of me putting away stuff. I have a dozen boxes full of clothes and shoes and everything, and a lot of the necessities I've ordered online is gonna come this evening. So before that, I need to go to Drugstore and buy some more things that I need. I just went down the road real quick and bought some tissue paper and toilet paper and all that. It just feels very new, refreshing, but I mean it's kind of scary, but I mean I'm off to a new start. I'm feeling pretty good about this move because I found a really good place to live. Here's my bathroom, and I'm trying to put these tissues in the drawer. I have so many things that I need to buy and put away, so you're probably just gonna see me do that for this whole vlog, or maybe not, I don't know. I might have some place that I need to go, but anyhow, right now I'm planning to go to the 100 yen shop to go buy some stuff, and also to the drugstore again because I need shampoo, conditioner, body soap, hand soap. I need garbage bags. What else? So I practically need everything, so I'm on my way to the drugstore. Okay, so here I'm back home. I'm so tired. I bought a bunch of stuff at the drugstore, at the 100 yen shop. Cleaning supplies, some nets for laundry. They're all 100 yen. Can you believe it? Garbage bags. Body soap. They normally don't have any fancy ones at a normal drugstore, but I just got one that's made in Malaysia. It has a cute goat on it. I don't know, I'm just gonna try it. Also, some laundry detergent, stuff to clean the bathtub. Yeah, that's about it. these are all the PR products that I've received recently, and I've brought them here with me in this little box. There are tons of them that I need to try, so I don't need to buy any skincare probably for the next half a year, I think. Cica Mask. I'm not going to use them if I don't open them, so I need to just go ahead and try to open all these things. So much. Oh yeah, this is from the brand called Belif. Belif. I could do this all day. I kind of like organizing stuff. Okay. This is, I think it's a face cream. And this one is, what is this? Essence. Okay, so today I took the time to take out all my clothes out of the boxes and stock them in this drawer. I know it's not, you know, as organized. I mean, it's not like color coordinated or anything. I think I need like little containers that I could like actually organize them into, but yeah, I tried my best. I mean, these are, you know, the bags that I own, and these are like sweats. The folded ones go in here, and the ones that I have to hang are in the closet, or in the other closet with rails. Here we have all my jackets and like longer one-piece dresses. So yeah, that took almost half of my day today, but it was kind of satisfying. I don't know what I would have done if this room didn't have this drawer that kind of came as extra. Obviously, I really needed it. Yeah, well, that's my little update. I'm gonna make my bookshelf now. Bye. Received a couple of PR packages, so I'm just gonna open it, and I also got some stuff from Amazon. I'm gonna open them right now, and don't mind my face because I'm makeup free right now and I don't want to really show my face today. Ooh. Okay, so I got 2 cardigans. I chose from their autumn collection, I believe, and yeah, they sent me these. So one of them is like this really cute. Okay. This is cute. Yeah, it's from this brand, Rehoas. Oh, I like it a lot. It has like this classic vibe to it. I like the buttons. Got another cardigan. It's a little bit oversized. Yeah, and it's cute with the diagonal stripes on it. It would go well with anything, really. My Amazon order. These are like, you can hang them and use them to wash your body. I bought some organizers to put in my shelf. So I only had the lace curtain on for a couple of days, but finally the thicker curtain is here. So, and I've already put one side up. I'm gonna go go ahead and put the other one up. I'm so short. I'm having a really difficult time doing this, but alright, let's do it. Yay, I got my curtains up. Yes. Now I don't have to be afraid of anyone seeing in my room. Yay. And I also went to the ward office today and got myself registered in this ward. So everything is coming together. Yes. Okay, bye for now. So I went out to get some errands done and I got myself coffee at a convenience store. And I'm gonna put my laundry away because it's all done. Another sock. Oh, I have so many socks. Help. Post office today and had to send some papers to the ward office, so that's what I did.